What's happening guys, welcome to RGHtechTv. This is Poco F1 and today let's see 40 plus best features, both hardware and software, and some very important tips and tricks. Make sure to watch this video till the end and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also guys, complete list of specification and buying links are given in the description box below. Kindly check them out as well. Now the first best feature according to me is IR face unlock, that is infrared face unlock. It's very fast and accurate, especially in bright daylight. You don't even notice lock screen sometimes around. It's that blazing fast. Now due to this infrared feature, it helps you unlock the phone even in low light and ultra low light conditions, importantly without increasing the display's brightness. Face detection in low light is not as fast as in bright daylight, but it definitely works and can be improved through future updates. Next best feature according to me is dual speakers. The main speaker is placed on the right bottom edge and the earpiece itself doubles up as second speaker. Now the quality on the main speaker is amazing. It's pretty loud, very clear, and has good bass quality as well. Second speaker isn't that loud, it just supplements the main speaker and gives you that immersive experience while watching content. Next, like any other Mi phone, the headphone output through 3.5mm jack was equally good, but one fantastic thing about this phone is it also supports CDLA headphones, that is, it supports Type-C headphones as well. Now sound output through Type-C port was awesome to say the least. You can get these LeEco CDLA earphones on Amazon for around 1000 rupees or so. I'll leave the links in the description box below, check them out. Take my word, you'll definitely notice the improvement in overall sound quality by using these Type-C headphones. Next up guys, the fingerprint sensor performance was flawless. It was very fast and accurate and could be compared to Honor devices. Now it can not only be used to unlock the phone, it can be used to authenticate app lock and it works perfectly fine. Second, it can be used to take selfies or even rear camera pictures for that matter, which is again a pretty convenient feature. And third, importantly, it can be used to access hidden folder or hidden album, making the device much more secure. Now for the first time, as far as I remember, MIUI has an app tray. Now it's pretty convenient in the first place because if you swipe right to left, you can notice the applications being grouped automatically based on categories like entertainment, tools, shopping, etc. This certainly comes in handy and saves time from scrolling through long list of applications. Not only that, another amazing thing which I found was you can also group icons by color. You can enable that under home screen settings. So all the applications with red color are grouped together and all the green applications are at one place. This is another new way of searching through applications which I'm very much liking lately. Next, this phone also comes with a notch display. So if you don't like it, you can also hide it, you can disable it. And for that, you'll have to go to settings, full screen display and enable hide screen notch. Next, from here itself, you can change the layout of buttons according to your preference. That is, you can choose to have back button on the right side like Samsung devices or on the left side like Moto devices. Or else you can completely remove the buttons, take advantage of full screen real estate by enabling full screen gestures. So you can swipe left to right to go back, swipe bottom to top to go to home, and swipe bottom to top and hold to go to recent apps. So these gestures are also helpful. Definitely try them out. Next, I very much like the portrait mode on Poco F1. It has perfect edge detection and clearly demarcates the subject from background, giving you that DSLR kind of pictures. On the camera front itself, it also supports slow motion video recording at 120 fps and 240 fps, which looks pretty cool in my opinion. Next, it can record videos in time-lapse or hyperlapse mode as well, which can be used to capture sunrise, sunsets, and cityscapes. Plus, it can also record videos up to 4K, which is again pretty handy feature. And importantly, it has electronic image stabilization, which should provide stable footage to greater extent if you don't have tripod in place. And not only that guys, in the camera application itself, you have host of features, n number of useful features like auto HDR for both front and rear camera, panorama, dedicated manual mode, which gives you manual focus, gives you control over white balance, shutter speed and ISO, a feature called straighten, which allows you to capture perfectly aligned images no matter how you hold the phone. Next, it's needless to say this phone comes with top of the line specs, which include 6 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 845 processor, coupled with Adreno 630 GPU. Plus, it also comes with liquid cooling technology. The same thing translates into real-time performance as well. Be it day-to-day usage or heavy gaming, it will handle them pretty smoothly without any issues. It's a pure performer guys. It can't get any better at this price. Next, I have to speak about the display guys. It has the best viewing angles I've seen around this price segment. Whites look pure white on this one. It can get very bright under the sun plus very dim in indoors, which is certainly good for your eyes if you read in low light. Plus it also has the reading mode under the display settings, which acts as blue light filter, again enhancing your reading capabilities in low light. Alright guys, now here are some tips which you can perform on lock screen. Press and hold the menu button to turn on the torch, and then press the power button to make it stay as long as you want, and press the power button again to turn it off. Next, swipe left while you're on lock screen, or press the volume button twice while you're on the off screen to quickly launch the camera application so that you don't miss capturing any action scenes going around you. Next, swipe right from the lock screen for wallpaper carousel and its settings. So this feature enables the wallpaper on the lock screen to be changed automatically in regular intervals. It's a cool feature, you can definitely try this out. Next, this device has double tap to wake so that you don't have to press the power button every time you want to wake the device. Plus, this device also supports raise to wake, that is, it wakes the display every time you pick up the phone, which is again pretty convenient. So if you can use raise to wake and face unlock in combination, then you don't have to press the power button, or for that matter, you don't have to use the fingerprint sensor at all. Now you can press the power button and volume down button to capture the screenshot, or else you can use 3-finger swipe down gesture to take a screenshot. You also have an option to take long screenshot. This is particularly helpful if you have long list of vertical content which you want to capture in one single screenshot itself. Next, to facilitate single-handed usage, you have one-handed mode, which you can find under additional settings. Now to make it work, if you want the small screen on the right side, swipe from home button towards the back button, and if you're left-handed, then swipe from home button towards the menu button. Now one more tip for single-handed usage is you can swipe anywhere on the home screen to access the notification tray or notification panel. Now one thing which I like about MIUI is its theme store. It's dynamic, it's regularly updated, changes complete look and feel of the phone, right from lock screen to home screen to wallpaper to icon packs, etc. In the theme store itself, you can also select from the latest ringtones if you want to. And most importantly, you can change fonts, which again adds to the look and feel of the UI by and large. Now the calculator application on MIUI is very dynamic and versatile. Apart from using it as normal calculator or scientific calculator, you can use it as currency converter, which works perfectly fine, length converter, volume converter, temperature converter, and more. Not only that, but it also has inbuilt scanner application to scan QR codes, business cards, and documents. Plus, you also have inbuilt compass application. It works perfectly fine. You also have inbuilt screen recorder, and also 360 videos play perfectly fine as it has gyroscope. Now, while you're in recent apps, you can enter split screen mode, which allows you to access 2 applications simultaneously, indeed enabling multitasking ability. And one handy tip over here is you can double tap on the center line or divider to switch the applications between top and bottom. Next up guys, this phone supports fast charging, and the good thing is you have the quick charger being included in the box. So if you want some quick top-ups by the end of the day, you can conveniently have it. I'll test it for another couple of cycles and let you know how quick or slow it charges with the required stats in the full review. Next, it's needless to say, like any other Mi phone, it has second space, dual apps, reading mode, quick ball, and hidden folder. I'll explain all these features listed in the 50+ tips and tricks video. Make sure to subscribe for more information on that. So that's it guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RGHtechTv, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.